Morning. Welcome back. This morning we're about 580 k's, 560 k's from home. We're in Mildura. So we're at my family home in Mildura. And this weekend we're pulling down that fence there all the way along because a new fence is being built. Dad's coming around with a lawnmower to grab all this sort of debris here, cutting out little trees and all that sort of stuff. Then we're going to rip down all this fence. We're borrowing a tractor tomorrow to rip out all the posts. So it should be a good morning. Morning, day 2 here, doing some work at Mum and Dad's house. It's a cold morning, 4 degrees, feels like 1, but beautiful morning. Sun's out. So just got to test that pump that we moved, make sure there's no leaks. And then we removed a fair bit of the fence yesterday, but we'll remove the rest of the fence with the tractor today. We ended up getting a lot out just by hand, but we use the tractor today. And then we've got other things to move. My brother-in-law bringing over a scissor lift that he has at work, so we're using that to trim some of the big trees, trim some big branches, do more than while I'm here in Mildura, I might as well get a lot done. So we're just going to do that. So you can see most of it's already moved here, but those big trees down the back, we're going to trim some branches off that and other stuff. So we've also got to fix, we hit a pipe, we didn't realise there were 2 pipes underground here, so we've got 1 pipe to fix, but all the fence is out along here now. Big day, so I've almost finished for the day. My sister, brother-in-law, all of us. Got a nice lot of stuff to burn. He's still packing up his scissor lift, doing all that. And we're just doing some final dumping of some stuff over here. and then we'll give that tractor back to the owner we borrowed it from. Successful day.